In today's video, we're going to be exploring AdCreative AI. And if you want to sign up, you can use the link in the description below, which is going to take you to this link right here. Try it for free. Now, basically, in order to start, you want to input all your information, including your payment information, and you get a 7-day free trial. You can sign up with Google, you can sign up with Microsoft, or you can enter your own details. And today, I'm going to be covering how to link your advertising account, setting up your own brand, how to create ads, and also text projects, what they are, and how to use them. Now, the first thing we want to do is integrate our different advertising accounts. And what you want to do is that you want to press on your account right here, and you want to go platform connections. And right here is where you want to link your different ad accounts. So let's say I've created this Instagram page for the sake of this video called Joe's Perfumes, where I am selling perfumes retail from a website. So I want to, connect maybe my Meta Ads account. Let me just say that connecting your ad accounts to AdCreative is like half of what AdCreative does, because the integration with your brand is going to be absolutely seamless. You don't have to go through a third step in order to integrate it. Now, the second step that we want to do is actually create our brand. So maybe you already are based on a website per se, or an Instagram page, as I mentioned before, but you want to create your brand in AdCreative so that you can start actually getting leads and getting sales and getting different, creating different ads for your brand. So you want to click right here, or you can do it from the home screen by going, just creating the brand. This is the brand setup widget. It's the first thing. So let's go on ahead and press here. Brand name, as I used it before, Joe's Perfumes. Selling the latest and greatest in the olfactory. Ooh, I should be a copyright factory universe. Here to make you smell like you've never smelled before. Borderline kind of invasive, but hey, we move on. That's our logo right there. Just for the sake of whatever it is. A bunch of different settings that you can use in order to make your sales pitch, basically. And we want to create the brand. There we go. We've already created the first part of the Joe's Perfumes. The brand is on right now. So we have our brand. We see the different ad types that we can be creating right away. But let's actually go through the widgets that are available on the dashboard, because that's what I'm here for. So let's select projects. So basically, you want to create a project, and it takes you to the setup that we were just on, which basically it gives you whatever type of ad you want to be creating for your brand. So let's go on ahead and actually select Add Creatives. And it tells you, okay, so for this type of project, what post size do you want, according to if you want it to be on the phone, a portrait size, a pin, a landscape. Let's choose post. It's a post that's going to be posted on Instagram. Display sizes. Medium banner, leaderboard, a wide skyscraper. Let's say medium. Next step. Oh, okay. All right. So it's either or. Let's go social media and press continue. Let's say you just launched and you want to, get people, you don't want to sell just yet. You want people acquainted with your brand. Okay. Okay. Nose. There you go. Follow us now with a nose. Now you can upload a background image, and just for the sake of, search our database, perfume. Wow, they have their own database? That's really cool. Wow. Wow, that is insane. And these are free. Okay, so some of these photos are actually paid, and some of these are free. So let's use this. Oh, enjoy our partnership with Getty Images. That is amazing. All right. Project name, Joe's Perfume Launch. Generate. As promised, now we have different options created by AI. Now, okay, let's choose this one, perfect that one, and say that you can now just press download, and it instantly just downloads it. There you go, and you can use it on your Insta account. That's just so intuitive, so easy, so fun. All right, so that's the first type of project that we can make. I'm not sure that there's anything else for us to move forward. It's just so many options that they provide given the different parameters that you've given them. So if we go back, and now we have our brand right here, Joe's Perfumes. There's a brand list. I think you can have up to 3 brands. Can we check the different tiers? There you go. So we're on the free plan that lasts about 5 days, but there's the starter plan, which is $20 a month. You get 10 credits a month. And if you want more, that's, it increases in price. All the assets are unlocked, unlimited generations, text generator, AI, ad, platform integrations, unlimited photos by iStock is available on all of them. The ultimate one, you get up to 5 brands, and the professional one, you get up to 3. All right, so can we add another project? Okay, so that's the launch. I want to try another one, like maybe a video style. Okay, talking head for any company. Next step. The avatar. I love her. Let's use her. All right. Now, after using her AI, let's press next. AI generated scripts. Yes, let's use the AI. We can even provide them with our landing page or website for them to talk about. Custom script. The best place. All right. Next step. Now select quality tier. This one's free to generate. This one's 1 credit. This one's, I mean, we've got some 7 credits left. Let's use her. Joe's AI influencer campaign. Generate. Now let's see how long this one takes. All right, so this took about a minute or so as well, and it gave us this commercially safe talking head, the best place for perfume and cologne for any occasion. All right, let's press this. I haven't seen this. I'm seeing this for the first time with you.
The best place for perfume and cologne for any occasion is Joe's Perfumes. My husband has never smelled like this.
Whoa. Why is this insanely good? Well, all right. I'm going to actually download this because this is fire. Thank you so much, AdCreative. All right. So now you've seen 2 of the different types of projects that we can utilize. The other one's going to appear here in no time. So there's static, video, text. So there's the text one as well, which is ad text, the ad package, and instant ads. The text one is pretty simple. You add your landing page, the language, the product name, service, advanced options, and it just creates different text ads. Generate text. Joe's Perfumes. All right. What are the advanced options looking like? Your target audience, social butterflies, ready to launch, ready to sell, generate texts. I think these are could be quicker. We'll find out together right now. Luxury of Joe's. Oh, okay. There you go. Joe's Perfumes, where every scent is a masterpiece. Discover the unexpected allure that captivates the room, leaving a lasting impression wherever you go. Crafted with precision. Ooh, baby, that is it. That is just it. And you can just keep generating as you go. So yeah, these are 3 different types of projects that we've created for our brand that we also created, Joe's Perfumes. We can analyze the creative insights after using all of these on the different ad accounts that we've integrated using our account. Now we can just analyze what works and what does not. You can even predict how good they're going to make according to, if you've been using it for a while. So now you know what works with your audience, what does not. You can retouch the different ads, background remover. Let's say you've taken a bunch of marketing photos. You can upscale images. You can face enhance using AI. Our Painter AI, which is still in beta, Detail Enhancer AI is also in beta, Eraser and Replacer. So it's an AI all around everything. And if you want to try it, once again, it is down in the link in the description below to get yourself a free trial, create different projects using AI, and start getting sales and leads. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and we'll catch you in the next video.